Assalamu alaikum guys. This is another project of mine. Nothing new in this project. Just a step forward from the previous one. Okay. I just wanna share my progress with my dear followers. That's it. Now let's see how to this project work. Okay. You just have to click on this play button in Unity Game Engine. The camera here is a free camera, like it is free to know. Let me show you how. First of all, I have to slide a brake by pressing the space bar. Now if I press the uh, back arrow button, then it goes into reverse direction. So the camera handles itself. Okay, one thing to clarify: the car assets used in this game is not mine. Okay, I have imported it from Unity Asset Store. I will share the link of that asset in the description below of my YouTube video, and you can check it out there. Anyway, please let me know your feedback in the comment section below because everything else except this car is designed by me. Okay, so I need your feedback because it was really, really very, very hard for me.